Assalamu alaikum dear student. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Belal Hussain, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear student, today our topic is exercise 2, word problem, question number 5 and 6. Lecture number 7, age number 4. Let's start the class. Look, today I have select two word problems which is taken from your book page number 11. Okay, today I will solve these two word problems. Student, already in the previous class, that means in division part 1 and division part 2, I have taught you how can you divide. Okay, today I will solve two word problems. Okay, let's start. Look, question number 5. 128 pieces of papers are necessary to prepare one book. How many books can be prepared by 60,000 pieces of papers? Student, notice you can solve this method or word problem by using the unitary method, but I will advise you solve this method in division method, okay, which is related to chapter 2. Okay. Student, notice here 120 pieces of paper are necessary to prepare one book. That means to prepare one book we need 128 pieces of paper. So if 60,000 pieces of paper, by using 60,000 pieces of paper, how many books can we prepare? Okay, or prepare? Obviously more than books. Okay, so we have to write now if we divide 60,000 by 128, if we divide 60,000 by 128, then look, this is 60,000, that means this is the dividend and this is the divisor. Okay, look, this is 128. And you see, if I select from here up to 3 digit, then it becomes 600. Okay, now we have to divide at first 600 by 128. Look, if we taken here from 5 times of 128, then the product will be larger than 600. So we have to take here up to 4 times of 128. Look, multiply now 128 into 4. We know 4 8s are 32. Okay, that means you put here this 2 in here, and 4 3s are 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 3 equal to what? 11. So you put here 1 and you have 1 in your hand. 4 1s are 4 plus 1 5. Okay, that means 128 into 4 equal to 512. Now we have to subtract 0, that means 10 minus 2 equal to what? 8. And in your hand is 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Now subtract 2 from 0 means what? 10. 10 minus 2 equal to what? 8. And as you consider 0 as 10, so you have 1 in your hand. 1 plus 5, 6. Now 6 minus 6 equal to 0. No need to write. Now you bring down this 0 in here. Okay. Now it comes 880. Now we have to divide 888 by 128. Look, if we taken here 7 times of 128, then our product will be larger than 880. So we have to take here up to 6 times. Now multiply 128 into 6. Now multiply 8 6 are 48. This is 48. So you put here 8. And your hand is what? 4. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 4 equal to what? 16. And you have 1 in your hand. 6 ones are 6 plus 1, 7. Okay. Now put here 768. Now similarly subtract. 0 minus 8. That means 0 means 10. 10 minus 8 equal to what? 2. And you have 1 in your hand. 1 plus 6, 7. 8 minus 7 equal to what? 1. Now 8 minus 7 equal to what? 1. Now you bring down this 0 in here. Now it becomes 1120. Now we have to divide 1120 by 128. Student, notice here, if we take in here 9 times of 128, then our product will be larger than 1120. So we have to take up to 8 times of 128. Look, 128 into 8. Now multiply. 8 8s are 64. 64. So you put here this 4. And you have 6 in your hand. 8 2s are 16. 8 2s are 16 plus 6. 22. So you put here 2 and your hand is what number? 2. 8 ones are 8 plus 2 equal to what? 10. Now put here 10. Now write here 8. Write here 1024. Look, this is the rough. Okay. Now 0 minus 4. 0 means what? 10. 10 minus 4 equal to what? 6. As you consider 0 as 10, so you have 1 in your hand. 1 plus 2, 3. We cannot subtract 3 from 2. So you have to consider 2 as 12. Okay, 12 minus 3 equal to what? 9. Right here, 9. Okay, and as you consider 2 as 12, so you have 1 in your hand. 1 plus 0 equal to 1. 1 minus 1, 0. No need to write. Okay. Look, our division almost finished. Now write here quotient 468 and the remainder 96. Now, okay student, I hope you understood up to this. Now see the question. How many books can be prepared by 60,000 pieces of paper? Okay, according to the question you have to write the answer. Okay, therefore you have to write, therefore 468 books can be prepared. 468 books can be prepared by 60,000 pieces of paper. Look student, we have reject here 96 papers. Why? Because using 96 paper we cannot prepare any book. Okay, we need 468 papers. So our answer will be only 468 books. Now write the answer. Answer 468 papers. Look, how many books? How many books? That means for how many books, student? What is the question? How many books? Right? You see how many books can be prepared by two pieces of paper. How many books? Write the answer. 468 books. Okay, student. Now I'll solve the question number 6. Okay, look. A company gained profit of 95,200 taka in business and wanted to equally distribute this money to its employees. If 800 taka was given to each employees, how many employees they have. That means one employees get 800 taka. Now we have to determine how many employees in that company. Okay, how many employees in that company. Look, I will solve this in according to your rules of your book. Okay, not in unitary method. Look, right? If we divide 95,200 taka then what? 95,200 taka. Okay, look. Now we have to divide 95,200 taka by 800. You see at first, this is the dividend and this is the divisor. This is how many digits? 3 digits. So at first you have to select up to 3 digits. Now if we take 1 times of 800, then we get smaller than 952. But if we take in here 2 times of 800, then the product will be larger than 952. So you have to take here only 1 times. Now 800 into 1 equal to what? 800. Now subtract 2. 5, 9 minus 8 equal to what? 1. Now you have to bring down this 0 in here. Now it becomes 1520. Now we have to divide this number by 800. If we take in here 2 times of 800, then the product will be larger than 1520. So you have to take here again 1 times. Okay. Now subtract 2. 15 minus 8 equal to what? 7. Now bring down this 0 in here. Now it becomes 72,000. Now this is easy. 8 9s are what? 72, 0 and 0. Okay. Now put. Therefore there is no remainder. This is the question right here. Here quotient is 119 and the remainder is 0. Okay, our division finished. Now we see the question. You see, if 800 taka was given to each employees, how many employees they have? That means you have to determine the number of employees. Okay, now write the number of employees is 119. Now write the answer. 119 employees. Okay, dear student, I hope you understood. Now I would like to discuss with you about SW. Look, SW number 4, EMB page 11. EMB page 11, what problem? Norm 4. Like this way, you have to solve this question. That means what problem? Norm 4. Dear student, you submit your SW copy on every Saturday within 9 AM to 3 PM. Dear student, no more today. You keep practicing at home. Stay safe, stay well. See you again.